very pleasant morning to Honorable Principal Sir, dignitaries, respected teachers and fellow students. Today we have gathered here to celebrate Teachers' Day in the pursuit to honor our teachers for their everyday guidance to help us succeed in our paths. Firstly, I would love to extend my heartiest congratulations and gratitude to every teacher on the behalf of all the students for always being a guiding light and a ray of hope in our lives. Without you, we could have never stood where we are today. Teachers' Day is celebrated in commemoration of the great leader Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was the first Vice President and second President of India. He was a scholar and a firm believer of education such that his birth anniversary came to be celebrated as Teachers' Day. In Sanskrit, there is a Guru mantra. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. It means Guru or a teacher is a representative of Trinity, Guru, Brahma and Vishnu and Shiva, one who creates and imparts knowledge and destroys darkness that prevails within. Without teacher, there is no lawyer, no doctor, no IAS officer. Teachers are the pillars of our society. It takes a special person to teach a child in class to keep his attention in a world that moves so fast. They are the ones who introduce us with what real education is. And being a student, what I feel, education is that investment whose dividend or return on investment we get till the very end of our lives. As it says, life is the greatest teacher of all. Teachers are not only academic teachers. In fact, our very first teachers are our parents, who guide us to walk, eat and speak. Then comes our school teachers, friends, siblings and many others. Today is the day to acknowledge each teacher of our lives. They taught us how to fight and stand once again when we fall. So, happy Teachers' Day to every teacher of our life. Thank you.
Thank you, Vishwa. Wait, do you feel some turbulence around here?
Yes, I do. The heartbeats have gone up and everyone is eager to sink into the depth of music, songs and joy. So I call the students of 9th and 10th for group song.
बड़े हर्ष का दिन है ये,
Now you will witness another sensational performance by Class 11. Please welcome the dance girls with a big round of applause.
बड़ा सा thank you है सब कुछ towards me रोज दिखाते जाए कुछ नया या दुनिया हाथों पे रख दे Thanks a lot, lots and lots Many ways just to say thanks a lot सुबह हो या शाम चाहे जो भी होगा पहले बस तुम्हारा नाम Thanks a lot Lots and lots, many ways just to say thanks a lot. हर पन्ने पे हो एक नई कहानी, हर एंड को हैप्पी हम करें. हर बात की दे दे छूट, हर दिन कोई तोहफा क्यूट जो भी हो साथ ना छोड़े. Thanks a lot, lots and lots. So many ways to say thanks a lot. गाते रहे हम चाहे खुशी हो या गम अपनी ये जंग ना हो खत्म. Thanks a lot. We've got a lot. So many ways just to say thanks a lot.
Now I will request all the students who are representing their teachers to give cards and flowers to the teachers and with a token of love and respect. Wonderful song. I still feel like lost in that melody deep music notes.
Welcome back now. Let's have a change.
Wait, do not step over the clock. Come with me to the theatre of school. Here I invite students of class 12 to give special thanks to our teachers.
थोड़ा ट्राइपॉड आम ले लेंगे बात हो
ওই অ্যাড্রেস শুনতে জানেন
जाते हैं दोपहर का खाना, क्लास कब खत्म हो गया ये भी भूल जाते हैं। देर रात को किसी स्टूडेंट ने अचानक फोन किया कुछ पूछने के लिए तो भूल जाते हैं अभी सोने का वक्त है। भूल जाते हैं कब किसको डांटा था, कब किसने उनकी क्लास में कौन सी शरारत की थी, किस नाम से बुलाते थे उनको। टीचर भूल जाते हैं किसका क्या धर्म था, छोटा या बड़ा घर था, कौन झोपड़ी में रहता था, कौन महल में। टीचर को बस एक स्टूडेंट याद रहता है सारी जिंदगी। और हम स्टूडेंट्स आपको कभी नहीं भूलते हैं टीचर। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे। टीचर को बस एक स्टूडेंट याद रहता है सारी जिंदगी। और हम स्टूडेंट्स आपको कभी नहीं भूलते हैं टीचर।
ये देखो क्या हो रहा है, बच्चा मेरे देश का कितना खुश हो रहा है। लॉकडाउन के इस गंभीर समय में वो टीचर ने अपना समय दिया, ना कुछ देखा कि कितना कुछ त्यागा। बच्चा उसका छोटा है, गोदी में सहला रही है। ऐ मेरे बच्चों, वो तुम सबको पढ़ा रही है। कंप्यूटर आता हो या नहीं, लेकिन तुम्हें जी जान से करा रही है। दुनिया का कोई भी रुपया टीचर को तोल नहीं सकता और ये नहीं कह सकता कि वो अनमोल नहीं।
अरे टीचर तो वो माली है जो सींच रहा है तुम फूलों को अपने खून पसीने से, फिर भी लगा रहा है तुमको अपने सीने से। जो कष्ट उन्होंने तुम्हारे लिए सहे, अगर वो जताती, सुनाती और बताती तो तेरी जिंदगी क्या ही रह जाती। अगर वो तुझे ना पढ़ाती तो खूब आराम और पैसा कमाती। अगर अब भी ना समझे तो मत घबराओ, बहुत जल्द होगा सच का सामना। फिर भी टीचर कर रही होगी तुम्हारे तरक्की की कामना, इसलिए इस फरिश्ते का हाथ हमेशा थामना। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
Call Kavya Kothari to present a gift to our principal sir. Of all the students towards our principal sir.
Next, I would like to call our respected principal sir, sculptor of human character, a sense scholar and navigator of this flagship of knowledge, to come over the stage and speak a few words.
Good morning to all of you. On behalf of the management and on my own behalf, I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. I wish to all my team members a very happy, healthy, innovative, creative Teachers' Day. And I am thankful to all the students of class 9 to 12 that they have shown this respect and organized this today's program. When this program was going on, I was remembering the Vasisht culture, that how the Teachers' Day is celebrated. You may be in lower classes, because from last 2 years, due to this corona, last year also we could not celebrate. This year also we have just celebrated. It is not celebrated, we have just celebrated, because the program organized in a very grand way. The students, they become the teachers, they take the command for the whole day, and all together in the campus you will find a very happy environment. Happy environment is here in the Teachers' Day today, but we could not organize a large program and we could not dedicate the responsibility of teaching by the students today due to the pandemic session, because still the things are not normal. And that's why we have a symbolic program today. I hope that next year we'll have in a very grand way. Whatever last year we could not do, little we have done this year, so next year we'll compensate all this program next year. I was just thinking, when the 12th class children, they were presenting a beautiful skit, and in that they were wishing, they were paying the thanks also, and they were wishing Happy Teachers' Day. But the posters, that was a little mismatch. So I was thinking, why this mismatch? This mismatch is very common, because from last 15 months, due to this corona, all together there is a mismatch. So this Teachers' Day, when they were celebrating, there has to be some mismatch. It is a symbolic mismatch, that the things are not as good as it was. I feel in my students that the turnout that is missing in the students, the level of spoken English is missing in the students, the enthusiasm is missing in the students, the energy level is low in the students. I think in these 15 months, the children has been away from the school, and due to that, in this last 15 months, they have gone 4-5 years back in their life. Because this is the age in which there has to be a lot of enthusiasm, there has to be a lot of the personality development, there has to be a high level of spoken English. Even now the children, they are forgetting that how to enter to somebody's office, or how to wish. Even they are just crossing, they are not even wishing. It is not that deliberately they are not wishing. It is because in this last 15 months they have been got exposure to the mobile, and due to that mobile the diversion is there. So I feel so that we will be back to the same spirit, and we will be back to the same enthusiasm, we will be back to the same grooming personality of our 9 to 12th class students, that they should look very smart, energetic, they should look very different. On this auspicious day of Teachers' Day, I wish you all the students that you should keep on coming up well, participate in different programs, and see to it that you have your all-round growth, you have your holistic growth. Children, you are sitting today, we do not know, and we wish that tomorrow, in the days to come, you should be in prime positions. When we talk about the Teachers' Day celebration, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, he was a great philosopher of his time. And when he was studying philosophy, to study the philosophy was not his ambition. His elder cousin, he studied MA philosophy, that books were lying at home. So he thought of doing MA philosophy because the books are available. He hails from a poor family, and by having the studies of the philosophy, then he rose, then he became the professor in the Madras University, then he was the Vice Chancellor of the Delhi University, he was the Vice Chancellor of the Banaras Hindu University, he was the Vice Chancellor of the Andhra University. And when he was leaving the Andhra University, at that time he was giving a farewell and opened the car, and all the students they carried his the car by their hands, and all together there was a showers of the flowers up to the railway station. He was very popular, and at that time Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, he requested him that you be a member of the Rajya Sabha, and that's how Congress nominated him to be a member of the Rajya Sabha. He became the chairman of the Rajya Sabha, and later on he was the first vice president of our country. He was the vice president from 1950 to 1962. And when Dr. Rajendra Prasad tenure was over, he was the first president of our country. Then Dr. Radhakrishnan, he became the second president of our country. He was the president from 1962 to 1967. And when in 1962, his followers, his students, they came to celebrate his birthday. At that time, he declared that let my birthday be celebrated at the Teachers' Day. And since 1962, in our country, Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September as a tribute to a great teacher, Dr. Radhakrishnan. This day is especially very momentous in my life because I am a teacher, I was a teacher, I will be a teacher, and when on 5th September 2010, I was felicitated by the President of India, Srimati Pratibha Devi Patil. She was the president at that time, and I got the national award in 2010. It has been so proud, memorable, the moment of my life that I always remember, and I always feel that this is the highest award which I got, and I got the opportunity to see three presidents of our country. First I got the opportunity to meet Dr. Abdul Kalam in Daman. He came in a program in Daman and we were invited. We met him, I interacted with him. I gave a magazine of my school. Then I met to the Dr. Pratibha Devi Patil when she gave me the award, and later I met to this Dr. Pranab Mukherjee when I went to the Rashtrapati Bhavan again, and we have a group photo at that time. So all these moments are so cheerful in my life that it really makes me so happy. Children, today you are here. I wish that in the days to come you also grow in your career, you also grow in your life. There is no limit to grow. If you see all the celebrities, if you see all the renowned persons, you will find that they have studied in the small schools, but they have done wonders in their life. I wish the same to you, and I wish that all of you in the future will shine in your life. Once again, I thank you very much for showing me love and affection. This is the beauty of the Vasisht Vidyalaya, that where our relation, teacher and student relation, is having a great bond. And this bond we have to make it more and more, so that this affection between you and us remain very vital, remain very important, remain very memorable. On this auspicious day of Teachers' Day, I wish you all the best to you, and let the bond between you and us, let the affection between you and us be very, very nice. Thank you very much.